Hello, my name is Dave Garland and I work at saltash.net Community School in Cornwall, England. I'm here today to show you the SmartArt graphics in Microsoft Word 2007 and how I use them in my science lessons. Microsoft Word is a very well-known application, but I'm going to show you a great new feature, SmartArt graphics, that can make for a really engaging and challenging start to any lesson. I'm using Word 2007 to demonstrate this, but actually SmartArt graphics can be found right across the Office 2007 suite of software. If you want further information about Microsoft Office 2007, just check out this URL. My example is going to be about classification in science, but there are uses in many other subjects right across the curriculum. So to get started, I need to go up to the ribbon and click Insert and then the SmartArt graphic button. As you can see, I now get a choice. Huge variety of SmartArt graphics. I'm going to use a pyramid for my classification system, and I'm going to use a basic pyramid shape. So I'll just select it and click OK. As you can see, the default pyramid has 3 levels. I'm going to type in the terms that I want my class to learn. Kingdom, phylum, so I'm just typing and pressing return after each line. Class, order, needs to be a capital. I can just go back and correct that very easily. Family, genus, and species. I've got 2 lines that I don't need, so I can just go and click with the mouse and then press backspace to delete the ones that I don't need. And there's my basic pyramid. Okay, so that's not very colourful at the moment. There's a button up here, change colours. I can click and I get a choice. That'll do for now. And so there is my pyramid of classification. Now, the really exciting thing about this, as far as my lessons are concerned, is that what I can do is, by selecting each of these individual sections, I can move them to different places on the screen. So I can jumble up the order of the classification system. Now imagine using this on an interactive whiteboard with students at the start of a lesson, and what the students have to do is they have to put the pyramid of classification in the correct order. Okay, so it's pretty easy for them to do because of course they just have to make the pyramid shape. So it's a great way to reinforce the classification system, or indeed anything that you want them to learn. Using this in a lesson, what I'd probably do is I would give them those words without any graphics to help them to start off with, and then see whether or not they could put them into the right order. I guess they'd find that pretty difficult. Then let them use this pyramid on the interactive whiteboard, and all they have to do is to drag things back into the correct order, which is what I'm doing now, just by clicking and dragging on each individual graphic object. As you can see, it's quite apparent if you get something in the wrong place. So that's just one example of the Microsoft SmartArt graphics that you could use in a lesson to make your lesson a bit more colourful, to make it a bit more interactive, to make it a bit more challenging, but most of all to reinforce the learning that you want to take place. What I'd do next is I would give the class a challenge, maybe give them an animal and get them to put it into the correct kingdom, the correct phylum, class, and so on. As you can see, it's great fun. Enjoy using Microsoft SmartArt graphics, part of the Office 2007 suite of software.